Hello everyone, I will show you how to complete the assignment 1b. So the assignment 1b, the title is Get Data in the Power BI. Okay, so in my screen, I already have opened the scalable LOD, Learn on Demand. And then on the right side, I open the lab or assignment instruction. So first, you need to know how to log into the this scalable and LMS. I believe you have done that. Yeah. So quickly we select the correct virtual machine. So you must choose the correct virtual machine, which is Get Data in Power BI. Okay. So I launch the VM. It will take a while. I will dock this VM to the right place first. Okay. Then after that, to complete this lab, you need to take some screenshot as a proof and put into the template and upload. Okay. So the step including the downloading the template here. Yeah. So you download the template and then open the template. We're going to put the screenshot into this template. Okay, so enable editing using the Microsoft Office or Office Online. Then you put your name. Yeah, for example, I put my name and then the date is today date is 21st of September 2025. Okay, yeah, so there are two screenshots you need to take, which is the loading the data from SQL Server and then the loading the data from the CSV file. So this lab activity is using the SQL Server. So you should do that using the lab on demand because otherwise you won't be able to get the SQL Server in your local laptop. You don't have the SQL Server installed in the local laptop. Yeah, so you need to do this in the virtual environment. Okay, back to this. Yeah, you have to log on as student. The password is this. Just click this icon. It will auto type. Yeah, then click this arrow. Okay. So after log on, then you don't actually need this pane. Then I click to split the window and then minimize. Yeah. So this is showing the 2 hours remaining that you have. Yeah. Most likely you will have enough time to complete. Yeah. Just minimize. Then after that, I'm going to arrange again the window so can get the bigger screen. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to keep this lab for future, you need to save this into your OneDrive. Yeah. So first you click the Power BI desktop. After that, you're going to I skip this part because I have already shown you the demo about working with the virtual machine. So just directly get started with the Power BI desktop. Yeah. So you need to download this folder. Yeah. Okay. So I copy this folder and then after that I will open the Edge browser and then copy this URL into this browser. Okay. Yeah. So you see, I have this. Yeah. And in the Power BI, enter your email. We check you need to create new account. Okay. So actually, you can go back to the previous screen that we minimized. Yeah. This is the email that we need. Yeah. One moment. Okay. Or you can also use your written email. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So then need to enter the password. Okay. Yeah. So this is the Power BI. Yeah. Okay. This one is Power BI web. Yeah, one moment. Yeah, okay. So just now was Power BI web, but actually what we're going to use is a Power BI desktop. Yeah, okay. So we use this, and so just click home. Yeah, then after that we create a blank report. Okay. So the previous step is log on to the Power BI services. We not going to use this. Yeah. So just close this one. But we already have download the file which was in the download this. Okay. So this is in the get the data. Okay. After that you need to extract into the this. So right click. After that extract all. And then yeah, here you go. Okay. Yeah. So already extracted. Then after that you start with getting data from SQL Server. Okay, SQL Server. After that, you're going to be prompted. Yeah, that you already enter just now. So the credential is the following this. Yeah, using the Windows, use my current credential. Yeah, okay. So in the server informations, you need to. Okay, one moment. In the enter localhost. Sorry, yeah. So localhost. Okay. After that, in the database, leave it a blank. Then after that, just click OK. Yeah. So use my current credential. Click connect. Okay. Then there is encryption support. Then just click OK. Yep. Okay. Then after that, it will show you the AdventureWorks DW 2020. This one, yeah, choose the correct one. And then you're going to choose the team employee. This one. Okay. Yeah. Notice the preview. This is the employee table. To import the table data, select the checkbox next to the following table. Okay, team employee, and then sales territory. After that, the product, and then reseller. After that, the sales territory, and then fact reseller sales. Yeah, here you go. So in the total, we have the 1, 2, 3, 6. Correct. Yeah, 6 table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. Yeah. Then after that, the complete the task by selecting the transform data, which will open the Power Query. So now you have selected the, you already connected to the 6 table. Yeah. Okay. And then leave this open for the next task. Okay. You now connected to 6 table from SQL Server database. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. Now you're going to preview the data in Power Query. Yeah. In the Power Query editor, at the left, notice the query pane. This one. Yeah, the query pane. After that, select the team employee. Okay. And then at the bottom left corner, there are three columns and 296 row. Yeah, okay, good. And then in the data preview pane, scroll horizontally to review the all column. Okay, scroll here. Yeah. To assess the column quality, on the View ribbon tab from the Inside Data Preview group, check the column quality. Okay, so you click the View. After that, the column quality. Okay. So you have this, yeah. Like we don't have the empty, but we have the empty, yeah, in this parent employee key, yeah, less than 1%. Okay, yeah. Then notice the position column has a 94% empty null row, yeah, in the position. So you scroll to the right and then look at the position. Position is a P. Okay, here you go. Okay, that one is a position code. Okay, here we go. Yeah, 94% empty. Yeah, null. So this useful in the giving you quick information about the quality of your data. To assess the column distribution on the view ribbon and then data preview, yeah, check the column distribution. Okay, so here column distribution. Yeah, how distributed? Is that distributed normally or skew to the left or skew to the right? Okay, and then review the position column again. Okay, here. Yep. So the position is skew to the left. Yeah. Okay. Review the column distribution for the employee key. Employee key is normally populated because it is a primary key. Yeah. So 296 distinct and then 296 unique. Yeah. And then select the team product. After that, the team product table contains one row per product sold by the company. In the query pane, select the team reseller. Okay. Yeah, okay. And then to view the column value on the view ribbon tab from the inside the data preview group, check the column profile. Okay. So here, column profile. Okay. Yeah. So you will see the distribution, the column profile. Yeah. Select the business type. This one. Yeah. Okay. So you see warehouse is only a few, but most of the value added reseller, specialty bike shop, and a warehouse. Okay, and we have both warehouse with a space and without space. I think this one is a typo, yeah, which we're going to edit, yeah, we're going to fix it, yeah. Over the cursor over the warehouse bar and notice that there are 5 rows, okay, yeah, there are 5 rows, okay, less than 1%. And then in the query, select the team sales territory. Okay, the team sales territory table contains one row per sales region, including the corporate headquarters. Okay. In the model data in Power BI Desktop Lab, you create the hierarchy to support this one. Yeah. Okay. Then fact reseller status, fact reseller sales. Yeah. Okay. One row per sales order line. Yeah. Review the column quality for the total product cost. Total product cost is wait. Okay. Okay. Review the column quality for the total product cost in the fact reseller. Okay, fact reseller sales. Okay, fact reseller sales total product cost. Let's scroll slowly. This one. Yeah, this column. Yeah. Okay, notice that the 8% are empty. Okay, so empty 8%. Yeah. Okay, so that's lab or assignment 1b part 1. We just get data from SQL Server, then use the Power Query to perform some exploration. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at what we need to collect from this. Yeah. Provide screenshot list of the query in Power Query Editor when load data. Okay. So list of the query is this one. Yeah. So you click after that like this. Yeah. So you screenshot this. This is the answer. Okay. You can okay, like this. Yeah. Okay. So this will be the answer for this screenshot. Okay, so now let's continue with the second one, which is get data from CSV. So this CSV file was downloaded when you download the zip file just now, yeah, in the download folder. Then you will see this, yeah, the CSV. If you didn't do the download, then of course you will not get this file, yeah. So you need to download. The download is here in the step number, this one, yeah. Get started with Mobi. This is the link. You need to copy, then add into the browser. Then it will download the zip. Whilst you extract, then you get this. Okay. So now the second part, yeah, Power Query Editor to add a new query, yeah, in the Power Query Editor, then home and then new source, yeah, okay, home, yeah. After that, the new source, yeah. Then from the TXT or CSV, this one. Okay, after that, go to the reseller sales target, yeah, in the download, yeah, in the download reseller sales target. Okay. And then in the query, yeah, notice addition of the reseller sales target CSV. Click OK. Yeah, okay. Reseller sales target. Yeah. Okay. Notice that no column contains empty value when there is not a monthly sales target. A hyphen character is stored instead. Yeah, this one. There is no null. Yeah. Review the icon in this column header. And then the column type 1, 2, 3 is a whole number, yeah, and ABC is the text. Repeat the step to create a query based on the color format CSV. So new source, after that TXT CSV, then a color format. Okay. Click OK. Yeah. Okay. Now you have the 8 queries. Yeah. So you need to screenshot. Provide screenshot list of the updated query in Power Query Editor. Yeah. After you import from the CSV. So this one. Okay, so additional are two, yeah, the color format and reseller target. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here you go. Additional, yeah. So that's the how to complete assignment B. You can upload, yeah. So save it. Yeah. When you save, then you have to save rename, yeah, with your name. Okay, so for example, assignment 1B submission template, then you change this, yeah. You remove the template, then put your name. Okay, save it, yeah. Then after that, go to the LMS. In the submission. After that, click the upload your submission. Don't forget to select the file, then click OK. Some of you, I noticed you didn't click OK. So your submission is pending. You have to click submit. Yeah, click submit. Okay, so that's how to complete the assignment 1B.